Hello everybody, today we make a shrimp scallops scampi. And we put a little bit of oil, not too much. And I like to have a lot of garlic for the scampi sauce to get the shrimp and the scallops, it tastes really good. Okay, now we gotta put butter. And now we warm up really good everything, the butter gotta melt and the oil hot and the garlic. Now the butter it's all melted down, and now we put a little flake of hot pepper to give a little spice. This is all yeah baby. And make sure that no burn the garlic. The garlic it gotta be not too brown, nothing. It gotta be nice white the garlic. Okay, now it's a time to put wine. And we got a lemon. And we leave cook now this together. Okay, now this is ready, and now we bring at the table to prepare the shrimp and the scallops. Look how nice it looks. And the smell is so delicious when this I eat a nice glass of wine. It's really good. Now we got the breadcrumb over here. I buy all the time plain breadcrumb. A lot of time I make it by myself. This is the parsley, and we put parsley on the breadcrumb, and we give a little mix like this. Okay, now first thing I like to put a little drop juice on the bottom of the shell. This shell is the scallops shell. All right, now we start with the scallops, and we put breadcrumb, nice, all the way around, and we put this right over here in the middle, and we do all four the same thing, like that. I was wash really good and make sure to dry. Okay, I don't want to do one by one. I put the dish of the breadcrumb over here, I take the shrimp, and I put all together inside the breadcrumb. And after you mix everything like that, look at that. And after you take one by one, and you put it right over here like this, look at that. And the shrimp, I left the little tail, but see no one leave the little tail, you can take it out. Ain't it look beautiful? Okay, now it's time to put the scampi sauce on the shrimp and the scallops right on the top like that. I got the oven on 400 degrees. Okay. I need a little water on the pots over here. Okay, let's put it in the oven. Like I said, it's 400 degrees. And look how beautiful it look. Nice. Okay. After be ready, we gotta eat. Okay, now it's about 15 minutes, and let's see my shrimp and scallops. Okay, it got a nice, beautiful color. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's bring on the table. I want to taste. Now, let me take one. Let's start with the shrimp. Let's see. See, I left the tail. Nice crunchy. Nice. Cooked good. And the scallops. A little bread, that's why I put a lot of butter, everything, and wine. Really good. It melted in my mouth with the wine too. Chin chin, salute, and we see next time. Chin chin, salute.